How solar gets installed. Step by step. During installation, your contractor will make approximately 200 holes in your roof and install a new breaker in your main panel. All contractors in Nevada must warranty the roof against leaks for 10 years after installation. 1. Tiles are removed and nail holes are sealed. 2. Rafters are located and mastic is applied to the base of the tile hook. 3. The tile hook is anchored with lag bolts. 4. Mastic is applied to VersaFlash. VersaFlash is pressed in place to cause mastic to seal roof penetrations from lag bolts. 5. VersaFlash is sealed with mastic, and the tile is replaced. 6. Rails are set, and cabling is run. 7. Panels are set on rails and clamped in place. 8. The finished array before pigeon guard is installed. Call us today.
702-614-4900.
Or visit us at solar.robcoelectriclv.com. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.